All right, let's talk about something we use every single second of the day, but we never actually see it. I'm talking about software. It's literally everywhere. But what exactly is it? Well, today we're going to break it all down with a super simple way to think about it to really get what makes our digital world tick. So, let's just start with a crazy idea. What if you woke up tomorrow morning and every single piece of software in the entire world just vanished? Poof, gone. For just one day. What do you think would happen? I mean, it'd be total chaos, right? You'd go to an ATM, nothing comes out. The traffic lights, all dark. Imagine the traffic jams. Your phone's map app, just a blank screen. And yeah, you can forget about scrolling through YouTube. Our whole world would pretty much grind to a halt. So, to really understand why we depend on it so much, we've got to look under the hood. It turns out all software can basically be split into two main teams. And once you meet them, everything starts to make a whole lot more sense. Okay, first up, let's meet team number one. I like to call this one the boss. So, the official name for this is system software, and its job is, well, it's the most basic fundamental software there is. It's the very first thing that kicks into gear when you power on your phone or your computer. It's in charge of managing everything: the memory, the screen, the buttons, and just getting the whole machine ready to go. And that's why the boss is the perfect name for it. Or, El Jefe, if you want to get fancy. Think about it. A boss doesn't usually do all the little jobs, right? Nope. The boss tells everyone else what to do. It organizes the whole operation, making sure everything runs smoothly from behind the scenes. And you totally know these bosses already, I promise. Windows on your computer? That's a boss. The Android system on a phone? Yep, another boss. And iOS on an iPhone? Absolutely. These are the big operating systems that are in charge of everything. Okay, so if the system software is the boss running things in the background, what are the things that we actually click on and use? Well, that's where your digital toolbox comes in. This is what we call application software, or, apps. These are all the programs that are designed for a user, that's you, to do one specific thing. While the boss is managing the whole company, these are the specialists who are really, really good at their one particular job. So it makes perfect sense, right? If the system is the boss, then all your apps are the tools, or las herramientas. It's like when you need to write a story, you grab your writing tool. If you want to draw a picture, you grab your drawing tool. You just pick the right tool for whatever you want to get done. And you're surrounded by these tools. Microsoft Word, that's your tool for writing papers. Paint, your tool for making art. And yeah, even a game like Roblox, that's just a really, really fun tool that's built for one specific task: playing. Okay, so let's put it all together. See? The boss software manages the whole machine, and it's absolutely essential. Your phone is basically a brick without it. It just kind of hums along in the background. But the tools, you interact with those directly. They do one specific thing. And the best part? They're optional. You get to choose which tools you want in your toolbox. So now that we know about the boss and the tools, let's see how they work together, out in the real world. Let's take a place where software is super, super important, like a hospital. You've got these huge, life-saving X-ray machines, right? Well, the boss software is running deep inside, managing all the complicated hardware. And then doctors use a special tool, an application, to actually take the picture and see what's going on. They have to work together. Or how about something we do every single day? Just getting around. That's all software. Inside your phone, the boss, the operating system, is in charge of that little GPS chip. But it's the tool, your map app, that you look at to see exactly where you need to go. See, the boss and the tool working together again. So here's the big takeaway. The whole reason our digital world actually works is because of this invisible partnership. You've always got the boss working in the background, setting everything up, and then you have the tools that we use to get things done. You can't have one without the other. They're a team. And that just leaves me with one final question for you to think about. I mean, software has already become our map, our calculator, our camera, pretty much our everything. So what's next? What's a real, physical tool you use every day that you think is going to become an app, the next tool for our digital toolbox?